Hey everyone, today we're diving into the world of keyboard switches in just 60 seconds. First up, what are keyboard switches? They're the mechanisms under each key that determine how your keyboard feels and sounds. There are three main types: mechanical, membrane, and scissor switches. Let's break them down. Mechanical switches are known for their tactile feedback and durability. They're perfect for gamers and typists alike. Next, we have membrane switches. These are quieter and often found in budget keyboards, but they lack that satisfying click. Finally, scissor switches combine the best of both worlds, offering a low profile design with a nice feel. Great for laptops. So which one should you choose? It really depends on your typing style and preferences. Remember, the right switch can make all the difference in your typing experience. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips.